Today we're back at it again with another tip. This time we'll look at the Android operating system and how we can find hidden files in the filing system of the Android OS. In particular, we have the situation where you look at one of your friends' WhatsApp status and you like the video that you see or the image that you see and you just want it. Now, sometimes it's a bit annoying to be texting that person, asking them to send it to you. What if, without downloading any other app on your phone, you could access the status? Yes, you can. And today I am going to show you how. I am going to show you step by step how to find your friend's status on the Android operating system. Now look, this step by step will show you how to find the hidden folder which contains the WhatsApp status. Remember, when you view a WhatsApp status, it downloads a copy of the status message to your phone. So it saves the images and videos that are posted on your contacts WhatsApp status. So let's go ahead and view some statuses, show you how to save them, how to move them from their current location, and how to rename them. But before we do that, how about you just go ahead and smash the subscribe button? Can you do that for me? Okay, now that you've subscribed, turn on the notification bell for more videos, because there will be a lot more coming, a lot more tips and tricks. Now let's go ahead. Okay, go to your phone screen, whether it's the home screen or in the phone menu. All right, here on my home screen I have my files. On your Android device, if you have moved the My Files folder and place a shortcut on the home screen, then you can access it from here. If not, you will have to go into your phone file system where we have settings. In the Samsung, usually it is in one of the folders, and it is usually in the Samsung folder. If not, it would be somewhere here on the screen, right? Now it is in the Samsung folder you will find My Files. Open My Files. When you open My Files, you will see your file system looking like this, or this is what you should see if you haven't previously opened it. Now you will select Internal Storage. On some device, you will have the WhatsApp folder on the external memory, depending on how you set your phone up. So we have in internal storage, we will go into internal storage. Let's go to the menu. Here we have the drop down menu on the right hand side of the top of the screen. In the top right hand corner, you find the drop down menu. Touch that, let it fall down on you, right? Where we have options. The option we want to select is settings. Select settings. When we select settings, we are looking for the show hidden files option. Here we have it, so we just show hidden files. Now that we have opted to show the hidden files and folders, now here we are looking at some hidden files and folders, right? And how to identify a hidden file or folder. The name of the file will start with a full stop. The folder, the image, or the icon of the folder will look a bit blurred out, whether it be gray or colored, but it will look blurred out or different from the other folders that were visible. Now we're going to look for the WhatsApp folder because we want to find the WhatsApp status. So we're looking for a WhatsApp folder. Here we have WhatsApp. I'm using WhatsApp Business. It is the same thing for all WhatsApp. We have some hidden folders here, the shared folder, thumbs, trash, etc., etc. Now let's go to the media folder. In media, you find statuses. That's the folder we are looking for, the status folder. Open the status folder, and here we see where all these status messages have been downloaded and saved to my phone. Now, all I have to do is select the one that I want to save, copy it or move it to a different location in memory. Now, if you move it, when you go back to WhatsApp to watch it, it will have to re-download, right? So instead of moving it, if you want to copy it, you can simply hold it, and when it's selected, you select copy, the option copy, and it will copy it to a different location. Now you will have to select the location you want to copy it to. You can go back to media and select videos. WhatsApp business video. We are going to just drop it in here in the video. Copy item. Here we have it copied. Now we'll rename it so it makes sense, right? We'll rename it so it makes sense. And this video is from the thumbnail. I can see that it's a dog and the chickens. There are two roosters fighting, and the dog was separating them. Now let's rename this Peacemaker. Peacemaker. There's an E missing. We'll rename that Peacemaker. And now we can watch Peacemaker. Let's watch Peacemaker with video player to make sure that we've got it. Yes, there we go. Blessed are the peacemakers. And that, my friends, is how you access the hidden files and folders on an Android device. And that is how you find the WhatsApp statuses. If this video has been helpful, hop on over to my YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/c/thepoetsPenthouse. Those are capital letters, capital T, capital P, capital P. So it's The Poet's Penthouse. That's on YouTube. I'm on Facebook. I'm on I'm on Instagram. Go ahead and like this video if you find it useful, and feel free to share it. Leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. If you don't like this video, hit the dislike button. Leave a comment. Let's know what went wrong, and let's see how we can do better in the future. Let's address the problems, right?